Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat, mga kapatid. Gusto lamang nating angkinin ang isang bagay or natutunan nating mahalin ang isang bagay kapag ito ay ating kilala na at alam na. Siguro naman tama po ako doon. Ganon din sa tao. We slowly love the person if we gradually know that person already. Doon tayo magde-decide, after knowing the person, doon tayo magde-decide, mamahalin ko ba ang taong to o hindi. But in the case of Jesus, it's different. We learn how to love Jesus because He loved us first. Naramdaman natin ang pagmamahal ni Kristo, kaya naman tayo ay natutong mahalin si Kristo. And most of the time, nararamdaman natin ang kanyang pagmamahal because of some uncomfortable experience of life. At doon natin na-realize ang kanyang presence sa buhay natin. Ngayong araw na ito ay nandito tayo upang ipagdiwang ang isang healing mass. Nandito kayo because you acknowledge your own limitations. Ibig sabihin, hindi nyo kayang pagalingin ang inyong mga sarili-sarili. And the only thing that you know is that God can do miracles. God can do greater things. Kahit kayo ay may sakit, you're not just an object of mercy. You can do something. Suffering people are also strong people. Kahit ikaw ay may sakit, please do love also other people. Hindi natatapos ang kakayahan mong magmahal kahit ikaw ay may sakit. Always remember that the more you experience God's presence even in your sickness, share that presence to other people. There is hope. And so I am telling you the same. There is hope. And even in the eyes of the sick person, we can see hope. And hopefully, we see hope even in our suffering because Jesus is suffering with us. Amen.